Good morning, y'all. Let's get ready to send these kids off to school for their first day of school. I was already up pretty early this morning, so I went and took my shower. Now I'm just brushing my teeth and doing my facial routine and things. And this is a new moisturizer that I was using. Yeah. Woke them boys up, and I came here to make me some coffee while everybody was getting dressed, and then some BAM. My third grader, my second grader, my pre-K 4, and my kindergartner. These are pictures we took before we left the house. Here we are, jetting out the door. We out the door, we going. We made it to my oldest baby's school, and then there was Kyrie at his school, and then Kelsey at her school. Y'all, it is so bittersweet for them to be going back to school so early. Seems to be. Then I started thinking I wanted these little Civil War trays because I needed one. So I put that in my drawer, put all the things in the things, and that was it, girl. Bye.